Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Muna tayong apple. Bismillah. So may lakad tayo ngayon. Punta tayo ng Tuwan sama ating misis. Then try na subukan natin mag-drive dito sa Raptor. Nakakahiya pero tingnan natin, no. Grabe, bagong washing pa naman. Grabe naman to. YouTuber too, ha? YouTuber, ha? So subukan ko kito kay ate to. So inshallah subukan natin. Actually this will be my first time to drive, first time ever to drive Raptor, no? Anong Raptor to, ate? Eugen. Grabe, no? So napakaganda, napakalinis. Kung kailangan natin doble ingat. Mahirap, no? Grabe naman. Yan. Grabe naman si Rendren.
Change driver.
Change driver. Yan ang aking bayaw, si Ate Lani. So, ako ang magdadrive. Bismillah. Nah, grabe naman to. Grabe naman. Okay, bismillah. Grabe naman to. Bismillah. Yes. 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 Hindi na ako. Ayaw ko na. Kain na ako. I'm si Eling.
Hello guys, we have started our journey. First time of Tito Jan to drive.
Okay na, kumagana na, te.
Ayaw na.
Wait. Okay, Wala na. Ato mo ni.
Wala si mama.
Wala na, Wala niyambog sa tanak ko.
Okay, we have started our journey. Tito is so happy.
Kaya na. Hindi mo ako ganit ako, anak.
Please subscribe to my channel and Tito.
Yellow.
Oh yes,
Start your video.
I already started.
Okay, look, this is my first time long. Actually, I'm very excited.
Grabe na sa ilo, nagtulog ng dayon. Okay guys.
Comfortable.
Okay guys. Here we are.
Mangarap na ni si Jan o Raptor na yun.
Magkita tayo.
Let's wait for Tito Jan.
Kuan ba to? Kanang automatic mo. Dili, uy, manual. Manual to. Usay gani ba kuan ko, maunsa ni ma.
Let's wait for Tito. Congratulations!
Congratulations, Tito.
Yeah. Okay, stop it.
Stop. Successfully drive. Let's wait for him. Robinson.
Oy.
Okay.
Okay.
Here comes.